kapadyak ko. Mga mga pinagbabawal na teknik. Ito. Uy! So, mga kapadyak, nandito kami, naputulan yung kasama namin. Ito, si Freddy. Ito. Yan. Sira yung kadena, naputol. So, bali. Inaayos lang. Buti na lang, may dalang link.
Buti may link. May link si Mamo Alpi. Si Alpi TV. Thanks to Alpi TV. Tropa natin, vlogger na. Napanood ko kayo yung vlog mo, men.
Oh.
Sinubscribe ko na.
Thank you, thank you.
Nilike ko pa.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah.
Mga kapadyak, dito pa rin kami, naplatan. Yaberyo. Isang oras na kami nandito. Ang hirap pala pag ang naplat dyan, oh. Nakatuguit.
Tapos wala pa yung tayo.
Kaya nga, wala pang ano, extra interior. Yan yung ano namin, mekaniko, si Barwell. Ito yung bahay na nagbigay sa amin ng kape. Yan, salamat kay Kuya. Coffee is life. Pansasawang kape. Yan, ito, mabait yung may-ari, taga Mandaluyong din. Nagtatrabaho dati. Yan, maraming motor. Maraming mga papunta sa ano, Kamay Nesos ngayon. Mukhang maluwag na rito sa Quezon eh. Ay mga kapadyak, hindi pa rin kaya. Singaw pa rin, singaw. Shout out kay Kuya, yung nagpakape. Thank you sir, sa kape. Maghanap kami ng sasakay dala namin itong isa para diretso na. Nga pa dyan, kaka-ride out lang namin. Yung isa naming kasamahan gumamit ng pinagbabawal na technique. Sinakay namin kasi yung interior hindi nakuha dun sa kasama namin. Pinasakay namin ng ano, pick up ng barangay. Buti mabait. Mabuli namin 5 kilometers Luciana. Kaya nga eh, napagastos patuloy. Napagastos. Pero kung hindi sila nauna, ha? Lusong Stream, mga kapadyak. Ito mga gusto ng mga bikers eh. Pero pag ahon, galit-galit. Ang bilis sidan. Ako, ayoko ng ganito eh. $8.30 na. Oh. Hapon na. Kaya nga eh, no? Hindi kasi tayo nagdasal bago umalis eh. Oh, kya! Alanganin, sir! Mga kapadyak, nandito tayo sa kamay ni Jesus.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. And I'm sorry that I'm so with the evil okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no they'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. You're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you lay down and I lay down and I stay there. Then will you get bored?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solution, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I'm fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I sell, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If you still love me, I have purpose. It's all
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. But if I lay down and stay strong and stay dead, then will you get bored? But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Ito naman tayo sa souvenir shop. Check tayo ng rep magnet, mga pasalubong. So. Uy, rep magnet, 50 pesos. 50 pesos. 50 pesos yung halaga. Hanap tayo ng kitchen. Ito kitchen, 25 pesos. Yan. Oh, nagawa ko sa ano. Grocery naman. Eh, naghanap ako ng mga keychain. Ito, dami keychain. Ito, keychain ito naman, 20 pesos. 30. Ha? Ano ka mga kapadyak, oh. Oh? Yan. Mga tropa natin. Galing Mandaluyong. Nagbayang yan dito. Suma, oh. Ah, suma, ayos na? Suma. Uy! Pero sendo? Yan mga kapadyak natin. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Kamay na Jesus. So bali, next namin Atimonan kayo na. Kakain lang kami tapos ride out na. Dito na tayo. Ginabi na kami. Nabudol kami. Dumiretso kami sa Bundok Peninsula kanina. Grabe, budol pala dun. Ang taas. Nabudol kami ni Maruel. Ayun o. Peninsula. Mga kapadyak, nandito tayo. Ayun o. Grabe.
Ano yung ban? Nakamulinaw naman tayo ng gabi, hanapin ko eh.
So, binudol.
Si Basolo, walang bike.
Binudol kami nitong taong to. Pinakit kami sa Bundok Peninsula.
Bundok talaga, pagkakulera.
Grabe.
Di ba, ano ba?
Oh. Wala pa kami sa ano. Sa
Ganto lang.
dito rin.
Pati lang.
Okay, mga kapadyak. Ahon kami sa ano. Mga kapadyak, nandito tayo sa park. So, may buhaya dito. Dalawa yan. Si Lolong. Tapos, yung isa ito. Mas malaki tong isa eh. Grabe. Ang bigat. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras kayo makakauwi. Alas 5 na. Walang bus. Ito. Yan, pangalawang ano yan. Pangalawang buhaya. Yung isa. Si Lolong yun, tapos si Lola. Tapos maraming ano rito. Ito, maraming deer. Yun o. Deer. Tapos may mga unggoy. Tapos may mga baboy ramo. Grabe. Nabudol ako. Lumiko kami sa ano, Bundok Peninsula, papuntang dagat. Ayop. Mali yung turo sa amin ni Maruel.
Nagsabi din ah.
Ayun o, Freddy yung mamaw namin no. Oh.
Hello.
Ito. Ito yung may sala rin no. Budol is real. So after namin dito, bababa na kami tapos pauwi na. Grabe, babiyahe pa kami ng 12 oras. Wala kasing bus dito. Grabe, hirap. Ayun si Sir oh. Nabudol tayo nun oh. Ayun, kasama ko yung nabudol. Sabi ko na, big letter. So yan, pinaahon kami sa ano, Bundok Peninsula, grabe. Budol. Pati yun. Ayun, pati yun, nabudol yun oh. Ang layo na nila eh, grabe.
Mga ilang kilometers man?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Mga 5.
So, mga kapadyak oh, mga pinagbabawal na teknik. Oh.
Wala kayo, ako 2 beses ko na ginawa. Problema, pagsumakay ka. Sarap mag-bike.
Sarap mag-bike. Lalo na't pag ganito, nasa trap.
Nasa trap.
Ito, mama mo, sumakay. Uy!
Sumasakay.
Yung mama, wala namang mama dito eh. Siyempre ako hindi ko papakita.